Hi, my name is Lea Jara. I work in Telecom Argentina as the QA automation technical lead. The biggest limitations we have in our testing process was different operating system versions, different screen sizes, devices, models, brands, and using BrowserStack is like plug and play. BrowserStack provides us an easy way to test each of them. For example, in our custom-owned laboratory, we have like 2 or 3 devices from different brands and models. But in BrowserStack, we can have like a lot more of variations of devices, models, operating systems, and we can play with different scenarios, different devices, testing with our application, and it's more easy now. Geolocation was one of the primary needs we have because our application only runs in our country. So if we run the application from the States or Europe or Asia, it will not run. And sometimes the VPNs that the services have built in, it doesn't work the way we intend. So using the geolocation of the IP address of our equipments or servers is a must for us. And we have it with BrowserStack. People of my team are the ones that use BrowserStack more. For them, it's easier to run the pipelines of the different test suites we have on different devices. They don't have to think about, the device is not running, the device needs a restart, a reboot. A lot of problems that we can forget if we are using a service like BrowserStack.